In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom drop-down description on the product page in Shopify. This is a great way to help your customers understand more about the products you're selling while keeping your page looking clean and organized. So, let's dive into the process together, and I'll guide you step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin and head over to the online store section. From here, click on Themes, where you can view your current theme. Next, we're going to click on the Actions button, which is usually found beside your theme name, and select Edit Code. Don't worry if this seems a little intimidating at first, I'll walk you through it. Once you're in the code editor, look for the Sections directory on the left-hand side. In this directory, locate the product template.liquid file and open it. This is where we'll be adding the custom drop-down feature. Now comes the fun part. You'll want to scroll through the code until you find the spot where you want to insert the drop-down. It's usually around the product description section. But here's a little tip: if you're struggling to locate it, use the search function by pressing Ctrl F or CMD-F to make things easier. Now that you've found the right place to add the drop-down, you'll need to insert a bit of code. Make sure you copy and paste the code thoughtfully. A small mistake can lead to issues with your page. If you're not confident about your coding skills, it's a good idea to keep a backup copy of your theme so you can revert back if needed. Once you've added the code, save your changes by clicking on the Save button at the top right corner. With the code updated, the next step is to customize the content of your drop-downs. Go to your Shopify admin and navigate to Products. Here, select the product you want to add a custom drop-down to. In the product's details, you will typically see fields for the title, description, and pricing. To add varied details to the drop-down, you can utilize the description field creatively. For instance, you can break it into sections or use HTML tags to format it as needed. Finally, it's time to view the results. Head over to your store's front end and navigate to the product page where you've made your changes. You should see a neat new drop-down section, allowing customers to click and view additional information about the product. It's always a good idea to test it out on different devices to ensure that it shows up correctly and functions as desired. And there you have it. You now have a custom drop-down description on your Shopify product page. This little feature can significantly enhance user experience by making your product information more accessible while keeping your pages tidy. If you enjoyed this tutorial or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!